I got paid $25,000 to build the AI system I'm going to show you in this video. 12.5K up front and the rest after completion. It's not completed yet, but I want to show you how I got this client, what this AI project is, how I plan to build it, and how I plan on reselling it as well. And you can just copy me, build a system, and sell it too. Starting off with how I even got this client. I got this client with a single Reddit post. Yes, as you know, I love Reddit and so should you. In this post, I talked about how I was asked to train 1,000 employees at a media company, which is true, which is also a video I'll be creating soon, so please be sure to subscribe. But there are a couple of key things that I intentionally did to get clients from this post. Let me break it down. First, I posted in the entrepreneur subreddit. I mean, this community is packed with entrepreneurs from all walks of life. And of course, every business owner cares about AI right now, so it's like the hot topic that's discussed here. Second, I shared a story, not a salesy post, but a story of me working in the AI space for another client project, in this case, corporate education. And this is a way of establishing credibility that I am a credible AI entrepreneur. But what does this all do psychologically? It convinces readers that the writer of this post, me, is very good with AI technology and can probably build whatever AI solution you need.
But Ritesh, how do I make a storytelling post on Reddit?
Let me tell you the complicated fix and I can tell you the simple fix. First, you go back to English class and follow the beginning, rising action, climax, falling action, and result diagram that you ignored what Miss Gillen or Miss Johnny said this is how to write a compelling story. Don't worry, I ignored that too. And if you really suck at writing, I use this tool called Subclimb that generates Reddit storytelling posts for me based on context that I give it. This makes my life so much easier. After the post was live, I got inbound leads asking me questions, congratulating me, and I even got a couple asking me to do work with them or for them. Now the key at this point is to get them off Reddit and get their number or WhatsApp, because most people don't stay on Reddit for too long. I got one of the potential clients' number and we resumed talking over texts. After rizzing him up on the text messages, I got him on a one-on-one sales call to structure the deal, find his pain points, and just learn more about what he needed. And now here are the 3 things to keep in mind when conducting any sales call in the AI business world. First, do not force yourself to give a price quote on the first call. For development projects that are 5 figures, expect 2 calls to even 3 calls before the sale actually happens. The first call is mainly for discovery, and the second one is where you provide the quote. The second thing to remember is to let the client speak more than you. You want to understand the pain that you have to, solve. Clients have no idea what's best for them, and you, the AI expert, have to be the one to take them to the promised land. Finally, provide your credibility somewhere in the call. You have to prove to this client on the initial call that 1, you're a cool guy, and 2, you know how to build AI solutions. You can show previous work, you can talk confidently, act like you are the best AI builder expert in the entire world. I work with entrepreneurs one-on-one in my Agent Rise program, and this is the same sales advice I give them, which has led them to close $30,000 annual deals and $20,000 one-time projects. It works. Once the sales call was over, we had a second one the next day and we agreed on a $25,000 payment, 12.5K up front and 12.5K upon delivery. Now, this is not typical in the software world. Usually you get paid 30% up front, 30% after the MVP, and 40% upon completion. But because I have this brand of 45,000 followers, I've helped over 150 plus entrepreneurs build profitable AI businesses, and I'm an ex-software engineer at a big tech company in the United States, I have a good amount of credibility going for me for anyone who even hasn't even watch my YouTube. In other words, I have leverage. I can make above market demands and I have the body of work to prove it. But wait. What is this project I'm even building? Now, at this point, you're wondering, hey, this is cool, but what are you building? Well, I'm building an AI e-com ad engine. Before we talk about my plan to build it in just 3 weeks, let's discuss what it is expected to do. See, e-commerce companies run ads to bring eyeballs to their products. Some e-com businesses spend multiple 5 to 6 figures per month on these ads. Per month. Cha-ching. The reason is because a lot of times ads fail. Like, that's just the cold truth. Companies lose a ton of money on ads, and it's the same reason a lot of venture-backed startups fail. They just blow money on ads, the ads aren't profitable, so they just lose all their funds. So to achieve a positive return on ad spend, ROAS, a company needs to constantly test ads and find what's called a winning ad, an ad that is bringing at least 2 to 4x ROAS. What better way to do this than just look at your ads your competitor is running branding, duplicate the ads with your own branding, and just run those exact ads. Since they have been proven to be working well in the same niche, if you run almost the exact same ad just with your branding, you can expect a positive ROAS. Now before, a business would have to pay an ad specialist $0 to $50 an hour to do this duplication process. But now with AI, you can automate the entire process of finding the winning ads from competitors, duplicating the ads, and running them and tracking performance. It's a full-on ad engine. So now that you know what the product is, how will you build it, or how will I build it? First, I'm going to use Claude Code with Opus 4.6 to build a UI and backend. Wow, I know, shocker. Who would have expected that, right? Then I'm going to use a Foreplay API, yes, Foreplay, to scan the competitor ads. I'm then going to use Opus 4.6 or Sonnet 4.6, I haven't figured this part out yet, to figure out why the winning ads are winning ads. Is it the hook, the pace, the length? I just want to analyze the winning ads transcripts. And then I'm going to use Nano Banana Pro to replicate the winning ads with my own client's branding. This way it's like a new ad. And then I'll store the winning ads via Supabase with a 3-day retention period, because you don't want to bog down your database with a ton of ads. Imagine your client asks for 100 variations of the ad. You don't want to save 100 different variations for like weeks on end. And then finally, I will host the entire app with Vercel while using GitHub for version control. If I missed anything, I'll drop it in the description. Imagine my client sees this and he's like,
is that easy?
Well, remember, to make the system scalable, architecture matters. You don't want things to break every 10 seconds. But lucky him, he has been delivering this project, and I am pretty good when it comes to software and AI architecture. I've been doing it for 7 years. Now, the final step for you and I is reselling. Yes, reselling. This ad engine is worth $25,000 as of right now, because that's literally what I got paid, or I'm going to get paid. So I know for sure another e-commerce company will love this. I mean, without a doubt, it's a proven product. So with my client's permission, I will 100% be reselling this to other e-commerce companies in different niches. This way, it's not a direct competitor to my client. At this point, if you didn't know what to build and sell to clients before, now you know. I just gave you this free sauce, and I'll be giving away my AI ad engine as a template to just my Agent Rise mentees. So if you want to work with me one-on-one and get access to 40+ AI business products, click the first link in the description below. Now, one thing you're wondering that I didn't answer yet is, why did I make that Reddit post talking about the 1,000 employee training thing in the first place? Watch this video to find out why.